Welcome to TeamStation, the innovative platform that revolutionizes how you build, manage, and scale your remote software engineering teams with top Latin American talent. Our human-centered AI and comprehensive suite of tools streamline the entire process, saving you time and money while ensuring the perfect talent alignment for your business objectives. Added value points. Cost-effective IT staff augmentation. TeamStation provides a cost-effective solution for building and scaling your software teams with top talent from Latin America, reducing overall expenses without sacrificing quality. Human-centered AI for talent alignment. Our AI-driven platform deeply analyzes job descriptions, company goals, objectives, technologies, and culture to accurately and quickly match talent with your organization's needs. Custom structured interviews and AI assessment tools. TeamStation's custom structured interviews and AI assessment tools deliver the right talent without needing countless interviews, ensuring accuracy and speed in the hiring process. Onboarding automation and learning. Our platform streamlines the onboarding process, providing new hires with all the necessary resources from day one, allowing them to immediately hit the ground running and contribute to your team's success. Access to top Latin American talent. TeamStation gives you access to an extensive pool of highly skilled software engineers and IT professionals from Latin America, ensuring you have the best talent available for your projects. Value proposition. TeamStation is your one-stop solution for building, managing, and scaling remote software engineering teams with top Latin American talent. Our human-centered AI, custom interviews, and onboarding automation ensure you have the perfect team to achieve your business objectives. Build your nearshore mission with TeamStation.